What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building again. Finally did that video I was talking about where I got the spot nose that my cousin got, and then the spot nose that I got, he only feed rats. I only feed her ASFs. Only difference between the two is this one got pastel in it. Here's just a normal spot nose, but we'll be able to see the the size difference and hopefully see a little bit of the difference if there's any in color. So we'll get into that, man, and we'll have him and his shorty in the video. So I got a couple special guests coming through, but before we get into all that, y'all know what time it is, man. Kick that intro. So there we go. One of them is pastel. Y'all tell me which one's pastel on the left or on the right. Look at that head stamp, man. If y'all go back in my videos, you might recognize that head stamp right there. Look like a little angry flower head, man. If you look at it this way, you see? Or a Chinese symbol. That's what it looks like to me. So this is saying right? Yeah. This is saying right here. That's my cousin Snake. Go ahead, pick her up there, man. Stay over here in the light so we can see her. What's your favorite thing about her?
Feeding her.
Yeah, look at that. Of course it is. So this right here, we got a future feeding video coming from him. Guaranteed.
Yeah, buddy.
What's your favorite part about the snake itself?
Moving around and putting it on my neck.
You like to neck them. Yeah, she definitely like to move around. That's how she be chilling. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so like I said before, did a little experiment with this one, me and cuz. This girl right here only been eating ASFs. This girl right here only been eating regular rats. Now, the only difference obviously is the pastel being in one and not in the other. You can see that because the ASFs, I would assume, has a higher protein count, this girl probably 100 grams heavier than this one. But the one thing that I discovered, the one thing I discovered about these is the color on this girl is still browning out. The ASF did nothing to hold the color in. Here, let's put her up to the black so you can see. Did nothing to hold that color. It's still browned out like any other pastel would. But on the other hand, this girl still look like a hatchling. Black everywhere. You still tell the difference when the blushing comes up, the flames. That dorsal stripe super bright. So I think this girl eating the regular rats and this girl eating ASFs, I think the only real difference is the protein count. Because this girl is about, like I said, about 100 grams heavier than this girl is. And that's about the only difference. This girl, honestly, this girl look better as a single gene than this girl does with 2 genes, possibly 3. There might be fire in there. I don't think it is. I don't think she be like that. So, like, look at, like, you can really see how it browned out right here compared to the dorsal. How brown it is right there. Even compared to like how the size look. Very browned out. This girl right here, all you get is more fleckling. Turns to like a leopard kind of color, like a coppery tone down there at the bottom. So, that being said, I think the only difference is the protein count. Because this girl, like I said, about 100 grams more. Not even. I think it's like 86 or something grams more than her. But both female, Both from the same clutch. They both was pretty much right around the same weight when they came out. So that's it. There's no real major genetic differences that could cause it. I mean, you know, snakes vary from one snake to the next, even if they had the same parents. But I figured this was a good way to try this experiment out and see what happens. So, anything you want to add, young Dre Money?
I'm gonna shout out my cousin, Ghost Killer, and that's it. And I'm gonna shout out my YouTube channel. It's my dad's name, Ashford Richmond.
Go check them out on YouTube. Yeah, man. So, there we have it. The infamous debate. We're gonna keep this going though. They are, I don't even remember when they hatched, but I don't even think neither one of them a year old yet. So we'll come back, I think, at a year. I'll figure out what the year was. I want to say like November or something. So we'll come back at a year, and see if there's any more of a difference in size, and if there's any more difference in color. If she starts to brown out, or if she continues to brown out, or just kind of sticks where she at. Big shout out to the homeboy GP Snakes, man. If y'all ain't following Gershon, y'all make sure you go give him a follow. Sub to him on YouTube. He probably 75, 80 subs away from 1,000 subscribers, and the boy doing a nice giveaway, man, for a VP High Exantic spinner, courtesy of Royal Business Reptiles, I believe it is. So go give the man a follow. He the one who gave me the idea to do the comparison, since we was both feeding him different things from Jump Street. So big shout out to GP for the idea, man. That being said, y'all don't forget to hit the buttons, all of them. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the like button again, and then hit it for the third time. Make sure you hit it, because it helps me get seen by more people. I'm trying to get to 500 subs too. I want to do a giveaway. Can I do a giveaway, please? Help me out. Hey, I know you're going. In all seriousness, man, give me a sub, man. I need to get to 500. I want to get this girl away, and I need to get to that next milestone. So help your boy out. Don't forget to do all the things. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support. Till next time, y'all be easy, man.